How to fix emo questions on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix emo questions on Android phone. First, open settings, and here just scroll all the way down until you find here apps, and after that click apps again or applications, and as you see here you will find all your installed apps, and here all you need to do just type here emo and click on it, and after that click force stop and then go to storage, click clear cache, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, but if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to Play Store and check if there is any update here, and then just update your emo, and that's it. Then just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and that's it. See you in the next video.